Making $2 may seem like a simple task, but for beginners it can be challenging. To start, identify your skills and interests, as this will help you determine the best way to make money. Consider what you are good at and what you enjoy doing, as this will make the process more enjoyable and increase your chances of success. One way to make $2 is by completing small tasks or jobs for people in your neighborhood, such as walking dogs, mowing lawns, or running errands. You can also offer your services on freelance platforms or social media. Another option is to sell items you no longer need or use, such as old toys, books, or clothes. You can sell these items online through platforms like eBay or Craigslist, or have a yard sale. If you have a particular skill or talent, such as writing, graphic design, or photography, you can offer your services to clients. You can also participate in online surveys or focus groups, where you can earn money for sharing your opinions. Additionally, you can create and sell digital products, such as ebooks or courses, on platforms like Udemy or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. To increase your earnings, it is essential to be consistent and patient. Making money takes time and effort, so do not get discouraged if you do not see immediate results. It is also crucial to be realistic about your expectations and to set achievable goals. Start small and gradually scale up your efforts as you gain more experience and confidence. Best practices include being professional and reliable, providing high-quality work, and delivering excellent customer service. It is also essential to be safe and secure when making money online. So make sure to research any opportunities thoroughly and never share your personal or financial information with strangers. By following these steps and tips, beginners can make $2 and start building their way to financial success.